everyone, welcome back. Today we're opening up a lot of axolotls. Can we get the astronautl? He's the one I want the most, and that's who we're on the hunt for. Let's see who's in this one. All right. Let's see. Is there a terrestrial? There it is. That sound is so satisfying. Oops, I think I bumped you. Let's see, we're not going to look at the sticker. Oh, I see the sticker. It looks like the Rapalotl. We're not going to mess with the sand. Let's see. Oh, his little hat and his little necklace. Alright, so this must be Axolotl. Oh, he's cool. I love the rainbow and the thunderbolt by his eye, the lightning bolt. Put his little hat on him. There we go. That's adorable. Not the astronaut one, but still very cute. That just means we'll have to buy another one to see if we can get the Axolotl. He is a rare, so it's going to be tough. That's why you have to like and subscribe to be sure to see more videos. More blind bag opening videos. Until next time, keep on wrapping.